Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we are gonna go through how to apply for an e-visa to Uzbekistan. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And I would also like to clarify, neither I'm an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. My intention is to show you how to navigate through a service. So guys, e-visas are becoming popular with the ease of applying and the ease of going through the process where you don't have to visit any office and things come online, you pay online, everything online. So it makes a lot of sense to a lot of people, and more countries are going towards e-systems. So it's good that we have another system here from Uzbekistan. So this is the homepage of their site, and we have two links: application for e-visa and application status. So you have to go through uh, application for new. Okay, so they have asked for the citizenship. So I'm just this is sample, guys. You have to do it as per your own guess. So I'm gonna select one. Okay, and you can see the fee also, what they are charging: single, double, multiple. Purpose of visit: next is the date, electronic option form. Okay, and you see this application date and expiration date means up to this date this application will be saved in the system. Okay, you can submit. Oh no, I apologize, it's not about that. It says that electronic application form for receiving an e-visa for this application date, expiration date. Okay, yeah, fine. It's not that what I said earlier, but the actual information you can see here. So arrival date, so I select, let's say, 30th November. Departure date, I select December 29. Okay, click on next. Now comes personal information. So here they have asked surname, name, middle name, surname change no, name change no, male, female, date of birth, place of birth, passport information, additional information. Okay, so let me put some sample values here. Once we are through that step, we need to upload photo and passport. So first is your photo and then passport. So when I go to the next section, they have also given the specification, so make sure you follow. In the next section, I will you need to go for activation and then payment. So of course I'm not going to go through that, but now you have got the idea. So I hope you're going to like this. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.